Don't be alarmed, y'all. This is not a full voiceover video. I just wanted to come in here and thank y'all for watching my live last night. I had a good time. That catfish was on point. If you did not see the video, you might want to go over there and tap in. And I did teach you guys how to skin a catfish. Today we are making us some detox tea and smoothies, y'all. I'm trying to get it together, and this is the first step in me going in the right direction so that I can remove some of these unhealthy toxins and clear up this skin, because I've been breaking out and I think I got a little sinus infection, y'all. But enjoy the video. Make sure it's tight. Now let's rinse it out. All right, it's clean. I bought this from Five Below. I woke up feeling like I need to make me some detox tea, so that's what we're doing today, y'all. I got the tea, which is a healthy cleansing formula. No caffeine, some turmeric, honey, organic mint, ginger, garlic. And I am making smoothies. So if you've seen the last clip, you've seen how I made this. This is blueberries and pineapple. But I do have additional pineapple, blueberries, and I'm gonna add some spinach as well. Let's get started. Pushing it down like that makes it easier to peel. And I do like to buy the bigger ones, so that way it's easier as well. So good, y'all. So good. Now I am going to be using this water here. I purchased this from Dollar Tree. We don't normally put water in our smoothie, but since I'm trying to break up this garlic, mince the garlic down, I am going to add a little water so that I can have the smoothest consistency with the ginger and garlic. I probably could have used a smaller knife for this, but I started chopping the garlic, so it is what it is, y'all. The tea and the smoothies are going to have ginger and garlic. That's all ginger. So now I just need to see how much of that I want to put in my tea and how much I want to put in my smoothie. Chop it up a little. I feel like I've been fighting off a little sinus bacterial infection. This is gonna help me get over it. That's why my voice sounds so scratchy, y'all. All right, let's add some water. Right there. Put this back on. All right, let's see if it's minced enough. Woo! Yes. Yes. All right. Let's finish the smoothie. I know I'm doing multiple things at one time, y'all, but bear with me. I'm gonna put some spinach in there. Fill it up. And some pineapples. I'm trying to use less water as possible in the smoothie. For some reason, I don't know why, HEB spinach lasts longer than Walmart spinach. Every time I buy the Walmart spinach, y'all, the spinach be like withering away within 2 to 3 days. This spinach is from HEB, and y'all, it lasted a week. It was not withered, like everything was still fresh. That's weird. But anyway, hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. If you have any questions for me, make sure y'all drop it in the comment section. You can definitely drink the tea plain without anything that I'm adding, y'all. Don't take it as if I'm saying this is what you need. Ginger, garlic, and lemons help remove like the inflammation inside of your body, y'all. It's like a natural herb. So that is why I use it. It's the anti-inflammatory properties in these items that I'm putting in here. So that's the only reason why I'm using it. Now, if you want to just go ahead and buy the detox tea and take it straight like that, baby, it'll work. I promise you'll be okay. But if you try this, baby girl, listen. All I'm gonna say is stay close to the toilet. I don't really never cramp, but some people say they do. My son took it when he was here, and I believe he said his stomach was cramping a little bit. It just depends on the body and what is taking place. So, y'all, this is what I do. Let me know if you ever tried it. And also, if you will, let me know in the comment section, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Somebody may need to see this video. Thanks in advance. So this is the last one. I'm going to be drinking on these smoothies for the next 2 days. The tea, I'm going to drink for 3 days. All right. There you have it. Now we have a full pitcher. I'm gonna put a little water in here to rinse this out because I don't want to waste it. Not only that, I don't want my tea to have smoothie particles in it, because I'm going right into making the tea, the ginger and the garlic for the tea. All right. Now I will rinse this out though. When I'm done, let's stir it up a little bit. All right, we're gonna stir it up. And that's our smoothie for the next 2 days. Stick it in the refrigerator. Let's taste it. I know it's good. It's good, y'all. It's not too much ginger and it's not too much garlic. Put our lid on. I know it's weird to have a plastic lid with a glass pitcher, but so we're gonna stick this in the fridge and we're gonna finish our tea. This is the garlic and ginger for the tea. We're gonna mince this up just like we did the last one. Only thing I'm gonna take, y'all, I eat raw garlic too, by the way. It's so healthy and it helps you control your blood sugar. So I'm just gonna take some of that honey and turmeric that I put in here with a little water so that I can mince this garlic and ginger. And then we'll start up with the rest of the process of making the detox tea. So just slide this on there. I need to get me a larger blender, but right now I'm not concerned because I'm getting the job done, y'all. Okay, that's ready. Let's pour it up. I'm gonna taste it first, y'all, because I'm one of them people. I know it's gonna be good. Oh baby, yes. This could be done like a ginger shot, y'all. Which y'all know they are healthy. Listen, I like this. I might start making my own ginger boosting, energy boosting shots. So put that in there. Now for this tea says 1 bag to 8 ounces of water, y'all. So I'm gonna put 4 in here only because I'm gonna put all this water in there. All of the water that I have left is going into the tea jug. I don't use faucet water, so I may have to go buy more water because this is all the water I have in the house. But right now, I think for the tea, let's see. We're gonna use 3 bags for that instead of 4. Only because I don't have enough water like I would prefer. Dang, I need to go to the store, y'all. I need to go to the store. This is what the tea bags look like. Did I tear it? I think I did. I did, y'all. I can't use this one. Look, I tore the bag. Y'all gotta be careful. Look at that. But this, oh, it smells so good. I might have to put this in the, dang, I don't want to throw that away. Okay, so be careful not to tear the bag, y'all. We're gonna use 3 instead of 4. Let's see if this will hang down in there. And maybe I could drench it with water. If not, I'll just put the strings, I'll tie the strings and make it dangle. Make it dangle in there so that way it's under the water. Actually, I'll place the lemons on top to make sure it stay down there. And then I'll let this sit for 24 hours before I start drinking it, y'all. I got a mess in here, but I'm cleaning up. Anyway. So I thank y'all for just joining my live last night. That catfish was everything, okay? Everything. All right, now we got 3 tea bags. I'm going to submerge these tea bags under the lemons. Put it under the lemons. And you know what? The one that got torn, I'm gonna use that string. So let's add a little string to this. So that way, it won't fall down in there because I don't want my tea bags to fall down in there. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna tie a knot up here on these, like so. You gotta learn how to improvise when you're working and things don't work out the way you need them to. Had this jug been full of water, I wouldn't have to go through this, but it's not, so I wanna make it easy for me. Okay, look at there. Now we got a longer string. Ah! There we go. Y'all, I had to get in there and get it. I'm glad my hand didn't go down in there, even though my hands are clean and I'm the only one drinking this. Anyway, now let's put them tea bags down in there. That's perfect. It probably really even don't matter. That's just me being me, y'all. Because I'm going to use the nozzle to get the tea out anyway. But that's me being me. And then I'm going to keep it up by just making a little knot right here and screwing it under the lid. So just make a couple of little knots right there. And screw it under the lid. And I'll never have to worry about that string until it's time for me to clean it out. See? If you don't like how that look, just put it under. It's not gonna fall in. All right, now I'm gonna let this sit. Yep, my string's still dangling. I'm gonna let this sit for about 24 hours. And then I'm gonna start drinking my detox tea. I'll let y'all know how it go. I've done it before. And yeah, thanks for watching.